Hey everyone. Ever wondered why Africa is splitting apart? Sounds wild, right? Well, grab your curiosity hats because I'm diving into the science behind the African Rift. So picture this. Africa is breaking into two pieces due to the East African Rift system. This massive geological feature stretches over 3,000 kilometers from the Red Sea down to Mozambique. It's like Earth's own version of tearing a piece of paper, but way slower. This phenomenon is driven by tectonic plates. Earth's crust is made up of these gigantic slabs that float on the semi-fluid mantle below. In East Africa, the Nubian plate and the Somali plate are pulling away from each other. But why? It all comes down to something called mantle plume activity. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, superheated rock is rising, creating a bulge in the crust. Think of it like a balloon inflating under a thin sheet. Eventually, the sheet starts to stretch and tear. This is exactly what's happening in Africa, but hold on, it gets even more fascinating. As these plates pull apart, they create a rift valley. The most famous part of this rift is the Great Rift Valley, home to stunning landscapes and unique wildlife. It's also a hotbed for earthquakes and volcanic activity, thanks to the intense geological forces at play. Now, you might be wondering, how fast is this happening? Surprisingly, the plates are moving at a snail's pace, just a few millimeters per year. But over millions of years, this slow dance will lead to something monumental. Eventually, the rift will become so wide that a new ocean will form, splitting the eastern part of Africa from the rest of the continent. Can you imagine a brand new ocean? This process isn't unique to Africa. It's a part of the grand cycle of plate tectonics that has shaped our planet for billions of years. The Atlantic Ocean, for instance, was formed in a similar way when the Americas drifted away from Europe and Africa. So there you have it. Africa's big split is a slow but incredible journey driven by the dynamic forces within our planet. Next time you think of Africa, remember that it's a continent in transformation, continuously reshaping itself. Hit that like button if you learned something new today. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing science content. Until next time, keep exploring.